chop saw is typically used for making fast, rough crosscuts, such as cutting large pieces of material into smaller sections or cutting pipes into desired length. Using a chop saw safely is crucial to prevent accidents and injuries. Here are some guidelines to follow when using a chop saw. Always wear appropriate PPE, including safety glasses and a face shield to protect your eyes from flying debris. Additionally, wear ear protection to reduce noise exposure. A dust mask may need to be worn depending on the type of material being cut. Anytime that you are cutting material that produces sparks, you must fill out a hot work permit, have a fire extinguisher where work is being performed, and ensure that the area is free of any flammable or combustible materials. Position the chop saw on a stable and level surface. Ensure there is ample space around the saw for any material you are cutting. Clear away any obstructions that may interfere with the operation. Always securely clamp the workpiece to the chop saw's fence or table before cutting. This prevents the material from moving or kicking back during the cutting process. Inspect the saw blade before each use. Ensure it is sharp, in good condition, and properly tightened. Make sure the blade guard is functional and in place to cover the blade when not in use and during the cutting process. Ensure that the saw has an adjustable blade guard and it is working properly. Set the appropriate angle on the saw according to the requirements of your project. Avoid cutting material that exceeds the saw's capacity, as it can result in kickback or blade damage. Always stand to the side of the chop saw, not directly in front of it. Keep a firm grip on the handle and maintain a stable stance with your feet securely positioned. Always use both hands to operate the chop saw. Keep one hand on the handle and the other needs to be a minimum of 18 inches from the blade. After completing a cut, release the power switch and allow the blade to come to a complete stop before lifting the saw or removing the workpiece. This prevents accidental contact with the moving blade. Regularly clean the area around the chop saw to remove sawdust and debris, as they can cause slips and interfere with the machine's operation. When you finish using the chop saw, unplug it from the power source and store it in a secure location.